Research reviews. Does a research supplement work 2020 updates? So if you want to learn what is the research and how it is work and what ingredient in it, and then you can watch this video till the end. I am going to show you step by step everything about this product, how it's work in this short video, so you can watch this video till the end. So let's get start the video. Hi, my name is Jeff45. I lost some weight a few years back using a meal plan and working out, but I still need help losing some more weight. I have tried a few supplements here and there but did not like them. So why did I choose research? I choose it because it takes care of many issues that lead to weight gain. Research does so much more than make empty promises about weight loss. It actually helps the user attack one of the root causes of weight gain, which is poor sleep pattern. Research summary: what is the pros and what is the cons of this product? I am going to show you. So research is a weight loss pill. Yes, it is a weight loss pill, but it does so much more than that. It helps fight aging and boost the consumer's well-being by getting them the best sleep they have ever had. Imagine not only being able to slim down but also enjoy better focus and concentration thanks to getting better sleep by this product. It is just a capsule that you easily swallow, and yes, the capsule is flavorless. Even though it contains a blend of herbs and such, you can rest assured it won't leave you with an unpleasant aftertaste if you accidentally get on your tongue. What is the pros? So you can see, number one pros of this product is all ingredients are completely safe and natural. This is 100% safe and natural. It is positively reviewed by other users. Deals are offered on bulk orders. Product features is a 60-day money back guarantee, which you means that is the 100% safe product. It's improve health in more ways than just helping you lose weight. So what is the research and is it genuine? So I am going to show you, is it genuine or not. Research is a new product, but it has taken the weight loss world by storm. It has developed a solid following in just a few short months, and coming from a man who has made helping people achieve their fitness, health and weight loss goal his life, that's no surprise. Based entirely on natural ingredients, research does not contain any nasty stuff that can help you lose weight short term but damages your health in the process. Neither does it rely on cheat technique like suppressing your appetite or dehydrating your body so the scale show less. All research does is to help your body naturally restore itself by enhancing your sleep and activating your metabolism. And yet, I understand completely how you would feel skeptical or question its veracity. This is, after all, the world's first anti-age sleep promoting weight loss supplement, all packed into the one capsule. But this is the real deal. It is the brainchild of Dr. John Barban, who researched and chose 8 amazing ingredients in a precise amount that would boost how men and women slept, ate and overall took care of themselves. So why is the research effective? I am going to show you why is research effective. First of all, the research work because it is safe. I made sure to research and do my homework because I bought this product. The ingredient contained within are natural and no user have reported negative side effect, myself included. I am not a doctor or healthcare professional, but I stand by this product being safe for nearly everybody. Second of all, research work because it was crafted using all natural ingredients that have been around for centuries. For example, ashwagandha. This herb was and still is part of the Indian traditional medicine Ayurveda. Let's take a close look at the ingredients one by one. I made sure to look them up while researching to make sure the claims of their naturalness were absolutely true. The answer to this question lies in this unique combination of ingredients that research offer. It is truly unique and much more than just a sleep formula. Before we list any of the ingredients, don't be alarmed. Research does not contain any pharmaceutical sleep enhancing medication like Ambien. Melatonin is a hormone that is also naturally produced by the body. It helps to govern the sleep-wake cycle. Known as the darkness hormone, it helps tell your brain that it's time to go to sleep. As we age, our bodies produce less melatonin, so to supplement can help keep your sleep normal. Ashwagandha is an ancient herb long revered in India, classified as an adaptogen. It helps your body combat stress. Magnesium is an essential mineral that has many important roles to play. Research uses it to help you get deep restorative sleep. So other is zinc is a trace mineral that is also important in many ways. It helps boost your immunity and promote healing, growth and development. So how do these work exactly? How exactly research work? Dr. John Barwan picked these ingredients because they would all work in tandem to help the body become its best self and reverse health issues. They are all ingredients you can pronounce and some of them have been used in Ayurvedic medicine. How does research work? So you may think that research work because it is a blend of herbs that are carefully chosen to help melt fat of the body. So this is the true but not the big picture. The real manner in which research work lies in this ability to give user a restorative and restful sleep. Whether or not you realize it, sleep plays a huge role in our weight. The less you sleep, the hungrier you feel. So when you have enough sleep, your brain functions better, you reduce your stress, you lower the amount of emotional eating you do. You feel more satisfied and happy eating healthy foods, and you won't constantly be craving sugar, salt and fat. So how to use the research? Using research was easy to do and it was not intrusive or inconvenient to add research to my daily routine. 1 hour before bed I would take 4 capsules and some water, then I would just let the supplement take its course, and before I need it I was sleeping soundly. You have to crave out at least 7 hours of sleep for yourself. Make sure you are fully ready to commit to good restorative and restful sleep. So research side effect. When I personally took research, I did not notice any negative side effect. I did feel a bit sleepy after taking the capsule as directed, but I was always safe at home, so I could just sleep in my bed with no fears. However, this is why you should not take them while driving, operating machinery or while you are at work. Aside from this, I felt no jitters, heart flutters and stomach aches, or I have not to this case with other diet supplement. So should you buy research? I personally think research is a great product to try out, and the review tell it all. I say this because I am one of those people they cater to. So I am 45, my life is busy but awesome, and I just needed a little help to get my healthy weight and be my best self and read some research reviews, and I want to try it. So I found it very easy to incorporate research into my daily life. I eat clean and work out about 4 times a week, just doing simple things like walking, biking and Zumba. So if you want to buy this off product, you can go to the officially website, which is link available in this video in the description box. You can click link and you can buy this research weight loss supplement in the officially website. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoy it and you can like this video.